quite a busy spot. Sorry, sheepies. A weak bridge, they say. Is it gonna hold my fat ass? Yeah, it's a cool bridge. Getting a little bit warmer. Don't be scared. Just wandering across the street like, yeah, I'm the king of this road. And they are, by all means they are. Yellow flowers really smell nice. Don't know what they are. seen them with white faces, with black faces. These are speckled faces. To take my layer underneath this one out because it was getting quite toasty. It isn't exactly warm, but you just don't have a lot of speed, and while that doesn't matter, you do get a little bit warm. So for now, he's in my bag. We're getting close to Elan Valley. Correctly? Yeah. Holy crap. Thought there was someone coming around the corner, but it was a very small bird that made my brain react. It's a lot less busy than I thought it would be. Ooh, nice. Again, there's something coming up. The dam, I think, if I see it correctly. Yeah, that's... There were some things here at the valley. Valley. Oh, nice. Yeah, what's not to like? There's the dam. Look at that Jill. Nothing to worry about. I'm just there chilling. Wow. Man. Battery is almost dead. I wanna capture the sun of this road because it's fucking awesome. It's a little bit small, narrow, it's not small, it goes for miles. This far ahead. understand why there's a sign at the beginning of this road. Drive carefully, because it's very inviting to go fast. I'm not going fast. I'm going fast. What I normally do. But nothing pretty. Because things like this are just around the corner. You can't go blind, full send down the road. Otherwise, you'll get some lamb kebab. People are very nice. So focus on the road. I haven't watched to the left. Damn. How beautiful. How beautiful. And now the sun is coming through. Oh, nice, how nice. Yes, come, little sun, do your best. Make me warm again. Whew. We're 5 minutes away from the hotel. It's 5:05? Yeah. We'll be there around 5:10. A long day. How late did we start? 9 o'clock. Almost 8 hours on the road. Quite a productive day. It almost feels like work. If we can do this as work, woo! Sign me up. Yes. Hello. Oh. I don't know for sure if this mic is still working in my helmet, or that it's the mic in my jacket. But one of them is out. We'll see. We can see the Finnish flag. Ponterwyd. Don't know if you pronounce it like that. But I don't care. That's how I pronounce it. Here's the bay. We can fill her up tomorrow. Then a little bit further on the left side, there's the hotel. Is this the hotel? Yes, this is the hotel. We made it.